What if I told you the car salesman sees you walk in and immediately thinks, ah yes, time to show them the overpriced SUV with 47 buttons and a monthly payment that needs therapy? Yeah, not today, because if you're over 60, you don't need a spaceship. You need something easy to get into, simple to drive, cheap to fix, and reliable enough that your mechanic forgets your name. Let's count down the best cheap used cars and SUVs that actually make sense and won't fight you every time you try to park, starting at number 10, Subaru Forester. This thing has what owners call the fishbowl effect. The windows are huge, the pillars are thin, you can see everything. Blind spots, basically extinct. It's perfect if turning your neck feels like a full workout. Plus, the seat height is just right, not too low, not too high. You slide in, you slide out, no gymnastics required. Add all-wheel drive and you've got confidence in rain, snow, or that one parking lot that always floods for no reason. Number 9, Mercury Grand Marquis and Ford Crown Victoria. Yes, these look like they belong in a detective movie from 2005, because they do. But here's the thing, they're tanks, built like a couch on wheels. You hit a pothole and the car goes, that all you got? Bench seat up front, so if someone parks too close, you just slide over like it's your living room. Massive trunk, simple V8, and every mechanic on earth knows how to fix it. It's old school, but in a good way. Number 8, Toyota Camry, 2002-2006. This is peak, it just works. No screens yelling at you, no menus to learn, just turn the key and go. Physical knobs, clear gauges, and reliability so good it's almost boring. These things hit 250,000 miles like it's part of the warranty, and for under $6,000, that's cheaper than some people's phone upgrade plans. Number 7, Honda CR-V, 2007-2011. This is the boxy one, and that's exactly why it's great. Tons of space, huge windows, and visibility so good you'll feel like you're cheating at parking. The gear shifter is right near the steering wheel, so no awkward reaching down, and those rear doors open wide, like bring the whole family and a walker wide. It's practical in a way modern cars forgot how to be. Number 6, Lexus ES 350. Now we're getting fancy, but without the scary repair bills. This thing is quiet, like library quiet. Perfect if road noise annoys you or you just enjoy a peaceful drive. It feels expensive, but under the hood, it's basically a Toyota Camry in a tuxedo. Same reliability, smoother ride, and you won't need to sell a kidney for maintenance. Number 5, Buick LeSabre. This car was basically designed for comfort and then never told anyone else the secret. The 3.8 LV6 in this thing is legendary. Mechanics love it more than free coffee. Ride quality? Imagine floating. Bench seats, wide doors, low step-in height. It's one of the easiest cars to live with. Period. And you can find one for the price of a decent TV. Number 4, Toyota RAV4, 2006-2018. This is the do-everything SUV. Not too big, not too small, just right. The cargo floor is low, so loading groceries doesn't feel like a gym session. The engine? Bulletproof? Not exciting, but it shows up every day. Kind of like that one friend who's always on time. If you can get a 2017 or newer, you even get safety features like automatic braking. Smart and simple. Number 3, Mazda CX-5. This one's for people who still enjoy driving. Yes, you can be practical and have fun. The CX-5 skips the annoying CVT and uses a real automatic transmission. Smooth, predictable, no weird noises. And instead of poking a touchscreen while driving, you use a knob, so your eyes stay on the road. It's like Mazda actually thought about humans when designing it. Number 2, Lexus RX 350. If comfort had a mascot, this would be it. Getting in is ridiculously easy. Just slide in like you're sitting on a chair. No climbing, no dropping down. The ride is smooth, the cabin is quiet, and it just works. Mechanics love it because it's basically a Toyota underneath. Owners love it because it never causes drama. This is the buy it and forget about it SUV. And finally, number 1, Toyota Avalon, the king of comfortable, stress-free driving. This is what happens when Toyota decides to build a car specifically for peace and quiet. Big seats, simple controls, buttery smooth ride, and that 3.5 LV6 will run forever. People regularly push these past 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. It's the kind of car you buy and then never need another one again. Honestly, it's less of a car and more of a retirement plan, and that's the list. The truth is, the best car isn't the one with the biggest screen or the fanciest badge. It's the one that makes your life easier every single day and doesn't surprise you with a repair bill that ruins your week. So skip the flashy nonsense, buy smart, and enjoy the drive without the headaches.